James with Explore Americana here, coming to you from the Tallgrass Prairie Preserve in Kansas. Let me know if you guys have been here before, put down in the comments, and go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button to keep up to date with future videos. Let's take a look around and see what we can find here. Wow, this is some beautiful land out here. Alright, let's head. Wow. Check out that old plow. I think that's what that is. It's like an old plow. Completely rusted old plow. That barn is cool. Neat old stone barn. Go in and take a look. Check out this old gas pump. Old Phillips 66 gas pump. Contains lead. Tetraethyl. That's neat. A relic from the past. A little barn on the prairie. Upon completion, Stephen F. Jones learned that his barn was one of the largest limestone barns in the state of Kansas at the time. The structure originally had a tin roof and a massive double-header windmill 30 feet in diameter. By harnessing the ever-present energy of the prairie wind, the windmill was intended to power. It's equivalent. Oh wow, this is neat.
What's that?
An old buggy. What else we have here? Horse-drawn, walk-behind cultivator. Plow up the field. What is this thing? This is a John Deere Van Brunt drill. That's cool. 2-row Lister planter. It's a neat old piece of farming equipment. Wow, that is something. What is this thing? The ensilage machine. This machine is an international harvester. For corn harvesting. Very cool. Well, guys, check out this. Down on the lower part of the barn, there's a sliding doors. This is where they keep animals. Yeah. Think of the history of this barn. Look at those timbers. This is cool. Old wagon. That's where they keep the draft horses. Look at that. Old bridles. Got an old saddle right here. That's cool. This is so cool. Got some little horseshoes. Oh, horse standing out there all by itself. Hello, horse. Hello. All right. No, you can't go in. Oh wow, look at this. Can't go inside really, but I can lean in. Very cool. This is an old bunkhouse according to my wife. Stephen F. Jones began acquiring this property for his Spring Hill Farm and Stock Ranch in 1878. Kansas had been a state for 17 years, and much of the Kansas Prairie was already being converted to cropland. That's cool. Alright, so this is the carriage house, and my wife spotted these up here. Oh, a bunch of wasps living in there. Hope you guys can see them. Here's the, it's pretty windy out here today. Here's the house. This is neat. Old limestone house. Well, look at the view that they have up here on this hill. It's beautiful. 1881 historic Spring Hill Ranch House. 4 levels. It's all the one ranch, many owners. So right now we're in the back porch of the ranch. Check out this room. Spring Hill Ranch office. Oh, check this. Check this out. This is crown molding. Beautiful. These old doors. Wow. This is impressive.
Yes, it is.
Here's the sitting room. Oh, look at these doorways. Granted, they didn't have exit signs back when they first built it. This is a dining room. So, going upstairs, but we're going to head downstairs. Look at this staircase. This is beautiful. All right, here we go. There's the kitchen. Old wood burning stove. Check this out. This is a root cellar. See up there. This is neat. Store all the jarred goods in here. I got a tunnel leading out this way. This is the spring room. The spring room is where the Jones stored perishable food. Cool spring water was piped into the house from a cistern atop the hill west of the ranch house, were used in the kitchen as well as diverted into this room, continually filling a shallow trough. Glass and ceramic containers of milk, butter, cheese, and other perishable foods were immersed in the cold water, helping to preserve them for longer periods. Well, that's neat. That's super neat. This might be like an old ice chest, old refrigerator. And we're gonna head upstairs now. This home is 4 levels. Family bedrooms. Another bedroom here. Hello. And all right, guys, let's head downstairs. Like this building out over here. What is this one? Oh, this is the curing house where they would cure their meats. That's cool. Go over here. See what this building is. This is the historic outhouse. Alright. Good old outhouse. Used one. Had to use one at my great grandma's. She still had an outhouse. Have any of you watching ever had to use an outhouse before? Giant ball of barbed wire.
Hey, sir.
How cool is that?
No.
This is the ice house. I don't think we can go in, but we can. Looks like they use it for storage and whatnot in there. But this was the ice house. Alright guys, that does it here at the Tallgrass Prairie Preserve in Kansas. Thanks so much for watching. Unfortunately, the bison were pretty far out, a couple miles, and we had the little one with us, and he really wasn't up for a 2-mile hike out there and back. So we'll come back out here again and see if we can catch the bison when they're a little bit closer. Thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button to keep up to date with future videos. Have a good one.